Charlie guys, we have to be serious. We are suffering because if it is not about erection problems, then the problem is premature ejaculation. What do I mean by that? If we are not finding it difficult to be hard, then the problem is we can't last longer. The real reason why most of us, including myself, we fail in the bedroom, there are few reasons. So today I'm going to give you 5 solid reasons. The sad thing is most of us are actually doing the number 3, thinking it will give us energy to perform, but it is actually making us lose the match. Number 1, you remember whatever happened between you and that girl, the one that you failed, the one that you lost the match. You remember? Yes. If you are lucky and you are able to convince the girl to come back again, now you will be thinking, your brain, your mind will be thinking that 1, what if the same thing happen again? That's 1. 2, what if you don't get the erection again like the last time? 3, what if you don't last again? All of these things will be going through your mind. And as soon as your brain starts to think about the whole situation, you lose control over your whole body. And this is what happened. Your system tries to save you by producing this guy, this stubborn guy, adrenaline. But at that moment, you don't need adrenaline. The adrenaline is coming to fool you. See, one of the job of the adrenaline is to pull the blood that you have in your bola and then push those blood to your legs and push it to your hands and to your brain. So now you realize that your bola is dropping. You are not able to stand up, like you lose the erection, or you start the match and then you finish very quickly, all because of this stubborn adrenaline. Number 2, overexcitement. This happens to people who are coming to have sex for the very first time, or those of us who took a long break from sex and we are now resuming. Because of the overexcitement, even if the girl touches you small, just small touch, and then you'll be releasing. Oh, it's just like we are all supposed to start a journey at 0/10. But because you are overexcited, you are already at 9/10. So just a little touch or with few seconds of friction, then you are releasing. Now, number 3, this is the biggest mistake. This is the one that most of us are doing right now, all because you want to kill someone's daughter. After you have taken your Viagra, your Erection, your Comet, your Dragon, you top it up with a cold drink of energy drink like Rush, Storm, 5-star, thinking is going to energize you so that you'll be able to pipe for long. But this is what you don't know. These energy drinks, they contain high levels of caffeine. And caffeine is a typical fanfula. Caffeine will give you that energy, but caffeine will also constrict your blood vessel. That will reduce the amount of blood that is supposed to get to your bola. So you will not be able to get the erection. Number 4, you see, for some people, it's not your fault. The reason why the tip of your destiny is very sensitive to the extent that when they touch a small pay, you are just releasing. It's because of your genetics. It's not your fault. It's because of your DNA. So with that one, go and ask your grandfather. But for other people, it is your fault. Because some conditions like sexually transmitted infections, other skin conditions can irritate the surface of the tip. And that can increase the sensitivity, causing the penile hypersensitivity in such a way that you just enter, you withdraw, and you are releasing. 5. You see, I know you don't want me to say this, but Viagra, Red Sun, Comet, Dragon, Herbasol, delay sprays, all of those things, they are not going to solve your situation permanently. They are only going to help you at a particular moment, temporarily. And it will get to a time that they won't work for you anymore. So you have to take more. You have to use more. And the more you use them or the more you take them, the more the side effects. If you want to know about something which works better than all of these things, I've already done the video for you. I'll put it right here on the screen. Click on it. I'll see you there.